and welcome to Basic Moves for Beginners seated leg workout. Today we're doing 5 moves for our legs from a seated position, no equipment needed. So let's get started. Sit up nice and tall, feet are flat on the floor, shoulder width apart, belly button is in towards the spine. We're going to activate that core. We're going to get started by lifting those knees up 10 times on each side. All right, make sure you're breathing through everything. Count out loud if that helps you. Concentrate on your breath and make sure you've got a nice big space between your back and the back of the chair so that your whole upper body is engaged while we're working the legs. So lifting up again, knees up, 2, 3, 2 complete. These are nice, simple exercises you can do from almost anywhere, from home, from your office at work. If you're away, simple way to just kind of keep your body moving. So here we go with set number 3, knees up. Drop that down. Next thing we're going to do is we're just going to extend our knees. So you have a couple options here. I have nice short legs, so I can clear no problem without touching the floor. So if I sit back in my chair and my leg is supported the front, I can kick straight out 10 times. Down. The other option, if your legs are longer, like I'm sure most people's are, you're just going to give a little lift under that leg, interlace your fingers under your knees, and just kick straight out. Again, make sure you're sitting up nice and straight as you can. Your breathing is easy and natural. Count out loud if you need to. And we're going to relax here. Bring that leg down. Opposite side and kicking out. And we'll switch 10 times on the other side. One more time each leg, kicking straight out. And switch. And we'll release. We'll sit up nice and tall, shake out those arms, and shake out your legs a little bit. Next, we're basically going to be doing the exact opposite of what we just did. So instead of kicking out, we're going to start with our leg extended, and we're going to curl and bring our heel back towards the chair. 10 times. Sitting up nice and tall, breathing easily. Making sure that core is engaged, belly button's pulled back towards your spine. Switch sides, curl that back. Drop that down. So basically what we just did, as we kicked forward, we worked the front of the leg, and as we pull back, we're working the back part of the leg. Nice complete workout. So we're gonna underneath, and we're gonna pull back again for set number 2. Down, we're going to switch and pull it back. That heel is coming back towards the chair. I'm going to drop that down, take a breath, and then last set. Curling back. And we're going to drop that down. Switching sides. That's our 3 sets complete. Next, we're going to put our feet down flat on the floor again, about shoulder width apart, and we're going to bring our knees together. So you're going to squeeze your legs and let those knees come in together. You're going to tighten up, pull that belly button in, engage that core, and bring those knees in slightly together, working the inside of the legs. Take a rest here, take a few breaths, and then again, squeeze those knees together. Making sure you're breathing. Don't hold that breath. And relax. Next set, squeeze. You can use a ball or a pillow to add a little bit of resistance to this exercise, especially if you're at home. Just couch pillow adds a little bit of resistance to that. All right, and that's our 3 sets completed there. Now we're gonna walk those feet in. So I'm not sure if you can see, my feet are touching, my knees are touching. I'm sitting up nice and tall, and now we're just gonna pull those knees apart, working the outside of the leg and the glute. And we'll bring that to a rest. Next set, pull apart. Make sure your feet are staying flat on the floor. You don't want your feet or your ankles turning out. So only open up as wide as you can while still maintaining your foot position. And rest. Last set, and then the whole exercise, the whole workout routine is complete. All right, there you go. Good job, everybody. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.